everybody, you are watching Motoreplika YouTube channel, and now we will speak a little bit about engine for K750. So look at this beautiful engine and few words about it. It will drive to Poland, to Sergio. He wants this engine to put on his bike. We made full restoration of it. All details you can see on our site, with prices and so on. On the number of under the video you can write down on all messengers. We have Viber, Telegram and WhatsApp. So few words about the engine. K750 standard, absolutely, with electronic ignition and 12 volts generator. Why 12 volts? Because we changed several details, and the standard generator G414 we make from 6 volt to 12 volt. It's more interesting to use in Europe because it's hard to find 6 volt accumulator. We remade the old generator from 6 to 12 volts. We put new electronic, I don't know how it's named, you will know it better. All details are selling on our site. Now we will start it. And before we will start it, few words about carburetors. This is standard K68 carbs, but we make a new hole into it, 4 millimeters. You see the hole, it's 4 millimeters and they work much better. We will make even one new video about carbs, about regulation of carbs, so you can just subscribe the channel and see when it will made. Now we will start it. It's cold. How we should start it? Open the fuel tank, take on the choke, the petrol, the benzene will leak into the carburetor, and we choke for 6 or 7 times without no acceleration. Turn off the choke, turn on the ignition and start it. Now we have 12 and 7 volts. You see how the generator works. With the help of this device, we can see what is happening inside of the working cylinder. First on right cylinder and then on left cylinder. Let's check how it starts on hot. The fuel is open. Start the engine. I think perfect. It drives on the 4th gear. We see 40 kilometers. And now you can hear how it works after all regulation that we made. Good acceleration and very quiet work. That's all. This is the engine with the gearbox after restoration. We run it on cold for 100 kilometers and on hot we drive to 150 kilometers. But 20 kilometers ago we have oil pills between the engine and the gearbox, and that's I checked everything. I changed the gasket, and we will drive it more for 50 kilometers. We will check, and if everything okay, but everything will be okay. I am absolutely, I don't remember this word. I am absolutely sure in it. We will take it off and send to port. So if you want the engines like this, or if you want to make remount of your engines, you can write down to us everything under this, all information about us under this video. You can write down or phone us, write down on different messengers. So you watched Motoreplica channel, subscribe the video, put like. Bye bye.